have to mark. You have to mark with the tape, or you can use, sorry this is not allowed. Hindi ko yung procedure. Makate. I cannot touch my bag. So, you have to mark it. It's either if you know it's a 50 centimeter after taking, then start insertion. If the patient still can respond, you can ask her, you give some warm water and straw to help the insertion. If the patient are totally not responding, understand, totally not responding, of course you cannot give water. Understand? So you can put some lubricant. KY Jelly is the one brand. Ano nalaglag? Then you can put here a bit. Then you can rub. What is the purpose? To help the insertion smoothly, to lessen the pain also when inserting. Understand? Punto nga sa lubricant, oh.
Hindi po, masakit.
She's very happy with the lubricant.
No,
I tell less pain when she's smiling. I'm joking lang. Okay? So, inserting, going to the nose, patient, you touch the forehead. To easily insertion, elevate the patient at least 45 degree to 70 degree. 45 degrees is the standard positioning, taller position po. Taller means this. Okay, elevated for 45 degree. Clean the earlobe first. Take out all the boogers or the boogers. Langot. Clean. Then, starting to insert to the nose. Dalawang tube na lang natin. So just assume, inserting, you feel the contraction. You stop first. If the patient is alert, then after contraction here, you can feel it stop. So means it's already on the edge here. Okay, that's a contraction. Then you can give the water. Ask them, okay, mommy, swallow. Sip. While she's sipping, you wait. She see the Adam's apple here. She sip. Then together you push. You push together until all inserted up to here. Because this is the size. You have to follow the size. If you insert like that, only on the mouth. Okay? So go until to the stomach. Okay, since you get tube, I take up this. Understood? Am I clear? So next, that is not done yet. The placement. If already inserted correctly on the stomach. Okay? So you can take some 50 cc syringe. Just assume this all sterile. So sorry, I don't have mutix. This one I'll use. Then put them on. Okay? So, sorry, I don't have stethoscope. You know how to use a stethoscope? Just put in the ear, check if the sound system. Right. So, the tube inserted according to the measurement we take. So, how you will know that the tube is on the proper place in the stomach? So, you have to aspirate, put the stethoscope first, aspirate some air. At least 40 to 30 should be okay. 50 also okay, not too much air. Fold first the tube. Understand? Don't allow to open and the air going in. Because too much air for the patient already. Might vomit. Okay? Close first. This type of tube have two cups. One for medication, which is can use the small syringe that you can give the medication. Just open and attach. then give the medicine. Understand po? One is for the feeding. That is the purpose. This is two-way. Okay? One is for feeding. Okay? So to check, stethoscope, aspirate some air, 30 to 40 can. Then attach, then open. Okay? After open, make sure you're holding because there's a tendency it will remove. Okay? Point the stethoscope edge to the, after the 0.5 centimeter, to the stomach. Because the tube you're inserting will take the measurement up to here. Understand? So the stethoscope must be here. Okay. So you have to push air. Then you hear together in the stethoscope. You know when you're hungry, your stomach are clagging. Got sounds? Same sounds. But that sounds must be together when you're pushing. If the sounds is came before you pushing, means patient either hungry, either got diarrhea. Understand? So must be together with the, when the time you are pushing or giving the air, that time you're hearing the sounds. Sometimes you will miss. You thinking it's already the sounds that we are looking for for insertion. And you don't know your patient has diarrhea. You hear the sounds of diarrhea because it almost same sounds. Understand po? So together po But this method, to clarify, only when
middle.
Pinasa ko rin?
Pinasa ko na. Hindi mo ba na-receive?
Okay. So, release. Release. Sabay yun. Okay. Okay, going up more. Yes. Release. Perfect.
Parang ano yan, sir? Parang iron board lang.
Okay, release. Release. Bitaw.
Okay.
Pero naipit na kami.
I want you to take me home, I'm falling, love me alone.